And a forest fire in Washington County has been burning since last night. As DC News Now reporter Anais Simmons reports, fire crews are finding the extremely dry weather this spring has made areas more susceptible to fire.
Multiple agencies responded to a wildfire near Blairs Valley Lake in Washington County. A spokesperson with the State Division of Forestry gives an update as to how crews are battling the flames.
We've got several bulldozers up there putting in control lines. They're also using leaf blowers where possible to put in lines.
Chris Smith, fire manager with the Maryland Department of Natural Resources Forest Service, says crews are also using chainsaws to cut away trees to keep the fire from having additional fuel. The fire started before 5 Thursday afternoon. Units from Washington County, Franklin County, Pennsylvania, and Frederick County, Maryland Fire and Rescue responded.
Once they get some lines put in and are able to really kind of assess where they are, we'll get some better containment numbers.
Smith says extremely dry conditions have contributed to the fire spreading, but firefighters are putting control lines in place to contain the blaze.
On top of that, the weather we've had lately where we've got really warm temperatures, really low relative humidities, and some winds, and it's just a perfect recipe for brush fires, for forest fires.
What we're unsure of is just how much of the fire is contained due to crews not being able to access the backside of the mountain. No structures or no injuries were reported. Reporting in Clear Springs, Maryland, Anais Simmons, DC News Now.